Hello everyone, I'm Gang Tao, CTO and co-founder of Timeplus. Today, I'll show you how we use AI to automatically migrate Splunk Technology Add-on to Timeplus SQL. First, let's understand what Splunk TA is. It is actually a specialized application for data inputs and normalization. Usually, it handles data inputs, field extractions, SIM normalizations, and timestamp handling. So you can see this is an example of Cisco ASA add-on. We are going to migrate it to Timeplus SQL using AI. In Splunk, you use configuration files to process data like props.conf and transforms.conf. In Timeplus, we use SQL instead. The key concept is actually very simple. Splunk search time processing become streaming view in Timeplus, and index time processing become materials views. Both use standard SQL semantics. Okay, now let's take a look how this migration works. This diagram shows the target SQL data transformation type pipeline. The raw ASA logs are transformed through field extractions, alias, lookups, and event types and tags. Each Splunk knowledge object maps one of the Timeplus SQL functions. For example, regex patterns become SQL functions, lookup become SQL joining, and event types and tags become additional column using where clauses. Okay, our migration agent is straightforward and simple. It takes TA packages with all the configuration files through the tools and use a migration guide as context through prompt and leverage large language models like Cloud or OpenAI to automatically generate the TA into Timeplus SQL pipeline. Okay, let's now run the agent. You can see that agent is generating SQL according to our prompt. Now we run all these AI-generated SQL in Timeplus. Here, you can see the whole data processing pipeline in Timeplus Data Lineage UI. We can run a query to check the raw logs from the beginning. As with Timeplus data processing pipeline, actually in each step, we can run the query to check the intermediate result. All the lookup CSV files are also imported as Timeplus stream, which can be used for joining. In the final step, we can see there's a view that contains all the information, all the data extractions, and the user can just query this view to get all the data transformation result. Okay, let's summarize what we have today. With this TA agent, the first benefit is actually accelerate efficiency. We reduced weeks of manual work to just hours, handling like 180 more field extractions automatically. Second, with this modern SQL-based architecture, it is much easier to maintain. And third, it is completely feature parity with Splunk. And finally, it reduced the complexity and with lower TCO. Thank you for watching. Visit timeplus.com to learn more, join our Slack community, and please give us a star on GitHub.